तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4 पाहायचं आहे. या अगोदर आपण 3 एक्झाम्पल पाहिलेले आहेत, रेशो आणि प्रोपोर्शन या पहिल्या झालेल्या भागावर. यानंतर एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4 पाहिजे. हे थोडं वेगळ्या पद्धतीचं एक्झाम्पल आहे. ते एक्झाम्पल आणि आणखीन एक एक्झाम्पल झाल्यानंतर याच्यावर आधारित जो याच्या साह्यानं प्रॅक्टिस सेट 4.1 आपला नंतर सॉल्व करायचं आहे. तर या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये काय दिलं बघा, द रेशो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज अँड चिक. हियर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ trees are here given. Number of mango trees, number of mango trees and here chiku trees are here. Number of mango trees and chiku. We know are here chiku here. These are here. We know are here chiku trees are here. In an orchard, in an orchard, in an orchard is 2:3. We are given the ratio of the 2 types of trees. Here number of trees are here 2:3. If 4 more trees of each type, if 4 more trees of each type, trees of each type are planted, the ratio of trees would be, the ratio of trees would be here. The ratio of tree would be here 5:7. 5:7. Then find the number of mango. Then find the number of mango and chiku trees. Mango and chiku. Number of mango and chiku trees in the orchard. And like earlier, this example are here given. How to solve this example? Read this example carefully first of all. Which are here given in this example are here? Which is the example are here given? The ratio of number of mango trees and chiku trees in an orchard is 2:3. If 4 more trees of each type are planted, then the ratio of trees would be 5:7. Then find the number of mango and chiku trees in the orchard. तर आपल्याला या ऑर्चर्डमध्ये किती मँगो ट्रीज आहेत आणि किती चिक्कू ट्रीज आहेत हे आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. आता हे काढण्यासाठी या ठिकाणी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर हियर गिवन डाटा आर हियर. विच आर हियर गिवन द रेशो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ मँगो ट्रीज अँड चिक्कू ट्रीज आर हियर गिवन. therefore first of all write are here the ratio of number of mango trees and chiku trees are number of mango trees and chiku trees is 2:3. And when this ratio are here given, then for finding actual total number of mango trees and total number of chiku trees, we assume are here common multiple. We take are here common multiple bx. When we are here given the ratio of any two here thing are here, then are here we take first of all we assume are here common multiple. Therefore here we take common multiple b. Yeah, any variable are here. Where here given this variable anytime are here x. Therefore, here first upon by let common multiple be x. And when common multiple be x, by that common multiple, we are here in given ratio, both the term we multiply by x, then are here we get the actual total number of mango trees and actual total number of chiku trees, therefore in an orchard. Therefore, number of mango trees is here 2x, and number of chiku and number of chiku trees is here 3x. And when we are here get the number of mango trees and chiku trees, here 2x and 3x. And then are here another condition are here given in the example. When are here 5 more trees of each type are planted, 5 more trees each type is planted, then are here the ratio becomes change are here, and that ratio we are here given, that ratio is 5:7. And therefore, by given second condition, here, right here as I tell you, by given second condition, या सेकंड कंडिशन वरून आपल्याला काय फॉर्म करायचं, इक्वेशन फॉर्म करायचं. त्या सेकंड कंडिशन मध्ये आपल्याला ईच टाईपचे प्रत्येक प्रकारचे किती झाडं ज्यादा त्या ठिकाणी लावले, 5 झाडं ज्यादा लावले, आणि 5 झाडं ज्यादा लावल्यानंतर या ठिकाणी त्या दोन्ही प्रकारच्या झाडांचा मिळणारा रेशो आपल्याला या ठिकाणी दिलेला आहे. तो रेशो किती आहे, 5:7 आहे. यावरून आपल्याला काय फॉर्म करायचं, इक्वेशन फॉर्म करायचं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फॉर्म आर हियर इक्वेशन, देन वी सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. means are here in the given equation, those variable are here given, we solve here value of, or here we find the value of this variable, put this value of this variable in here number of mango tree and number of chiku tree, then are here we get answer of that example. Means are here we solve this example. Therefore, by given second condition, which equation are here formed? First type, which type mango, which type of trees are here given? Mango tree. How many number of mango tree? 2x. How many trees are here? Mango trees are here x is 5. Then here total number of mango trees we get are here. Therefore 2x plus 5. आणि या दोघांचा रेशो तयार करायचा आहे. Therefore yeah, 2x plus 5 upon how many here actual number of here chiku trees are here 3x. How many trees are here x's? 5 trees are here x's for planted. Then are here we get a number, total number of trees are here. Which are here we get total number of trees 3x plus 5 is equal to how many value of that ratio are here given, or which value are here given in example. Which are here? When we read this example carefully, then are here we get answer of that ratio are here. Which are here given 5:7. Therefore 5 upon 7. And then we solve this equation. When we solve this equation, for solving here this equation, we take first upon cross multiplication. Then here we get here multiply this 2x plus 5 by 7. Then here we get 7 in bracket 2x plus 5 is equal to here multiply this 3x plus 5 by 5. then here we get 5 in bracket 3x plus 5. And then here we multiply this bracket by 7, we multiply this bracket by 5. Then here we get a new step as like here 7 into 2x, here 14x plus 7 into 5 we get 35 is equal to 5 into 3x we get 15x plus 5 into 5 we get 25. And then area this variable terms are here or your like terms are here on one side and another terms or your like terms are here take here one side any one side and then area we get here 14x this first upon this 14x transfer here or here 15x transfer here then here we get 14x minus 15x is equal to 25. This 35 transfer on this side then change the symbol of that term or here that number we get minus 35. Then here another way step here we get then 14x transfer on this side and 25 transfer on this side. Then here we get this step as like here 15x minus 14x is equal to 35 minus 25. These two steps are here same area, not different. Then 15x minus 14x we get x is equal to 35 minus 25 we get 10. As like we get value of variable x means here x is equal to 10 and we put this value in the number of each type of page. Therefore we get answer of that question or here that example as like here. Therefore the total number of or here number of mango trees is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into put the value of x we get here 2 into 10 we get 20 and number of chiku trees is equal to how many are here 3x is equal to 3 into put the value of x is 10 then we get 3 into 10 we get 30 and like here the 20 mango trees and 30 chiku trees are planted in an orchard or here in the orchard. As like here we solve this example. Therefore finally we write here answer as like here. Therefore 20 mango trees and 30 chiku trees planted in the orchard. As like here we solve this example, then we get here full marks are here. No any half marks are here. We are here gone are here. As like here we solve this example. Then are here next example समजलेलं असेल आपल्याला नीट व्यवस्थित लक्षात घ्या. एक्झाम्पल प्रथम नीट व्यवस्थित वाचा. एक्झाम्पलमध्ये काय दिलेलं पहा, आपल्याला काय दिलंय, काय करायचंय हे ज्यावेळेस आपल्या लक्षात येईल त्यावेळेस ते एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला निम्म सुटलेलं असेल आणि त्यानंतर वेगवेगळ्या प्रॉपर्टी वेगळे गुणधर्म वापरून या ठिकाणी वेगळे सूत्र वापरून या ठिकाणी हे एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला सोडवावं लागतं. तर आणखीन 1-2 वेळेस या ठिकाणी या एक्झाम्पलची प्रॅक्टिस करा. देन आर नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. This example are here given as like our example number 5. In this example, we are here given the ratio of two numbers. The ratio of two numbers. The ratio of two numbers is 5:7. Is 5:7. If 40 is added, if 40 is added in each number, when 40 is added in each number, then the ratio becomes becomes 25:31. Ratio becomes 25:31. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. तर याच्या अगोदर जे एक्झाम्पल आपण घेतलं होतं ते एक्झाम्पल आणि हे दिलेलं एक्झाम्पल हे दोन्ही सारख्याच पद्धतीचे. तर हे एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला सोडवता आलं पाहिजे, लक्षात आलं पाहिजे. त्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये आपला या ठिकाणी नंबर ऑफ स्क्रीन दिले होते दोन टाईपचे. याच्यामध्ये दोन संख्या दिल्या आहेत, या दोन संख्यांचं गुणोत्तर दिलेलं आहे. तर या ठिकाणी प्रथम एक्झाम्पल नीट वाचा. काय दिलं एक्झाम्पल? द रेशो ऑफ टू नंबर्स 5:7. इन दॅट the number when 40 is added in both the number, then we get a new ratio 25:31. Then find the numbers. As like earlier, this example are given. आपल्या त्या दोन संख्या काय करायचे? शोधायचे, काढायचे. या दोन संख्या शोधण्यासाठी प्रथम या ठिकाणी दिलेली अट घ्यायची. पहिली अट काय दिली आहे? पहिली कंडिशन काय दिली आहे? तर द रेशो ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज 5:7. द रेशो ऑफ टू नंबर is 5:7. First of all, write here the ratio of two numbers is 5:7. 5:7 means here 5/7. And then when ratio are here given, then first of all we assume common multiple for finding your actual given numbers or your original number. Therefore, remember in this type of example, we take your common multiple. When we take common multiple, that common multiple multiply each term of the given, multiply by each term of the given ratio, and then we get a new means original numbers are here. As like therefore we take let the common multiple be x. Which when common multiple be x, then which is the first number? Your first number is 5x and second number is 7x. Correct. As like we write these two numbers. Therefore, the first number is 5x and second number is which are your second number? 7x. As I got here, we get that original number. When we get that original number, then we read the second condition in given example. Which is the second condition in given example? Each number add 40. Each number add 40, and then area we get new number. Value of that new number is 25 is to 31. By that given condition, we area form a equation. Therefore, we write area by given second condition. Therefore, by given second condition, which equation area we get the first number 5x, in this number add 40, then area we get new number 5x plus 40 upon, we take area ratio of that two new number, then area second number we get 7x plus 40, and then area we get the value of that ratio area given. We are given the value of that ratio 25 upon 31. As like area we get equation, and then area we solve this equation. For solving here this equation, we take area cross multiplication. First of all, we multiply this 5x plus 40 by 31. Then area we get 31 in bracket 5x plus 40 is equal to, we multiply this 7x plus 40 by 25. Then area we get 25 in bracket 7x plus 40. Understand how student? As like area we solve this. For solving here this example, we area remember as like area first of all take cross multiplication. And then area we take here product of that two and product of that two, and then area we write here value. Here 31 into 5x, we know area 31 into 5x 155x plus multiply this 40 by 31, then area we get 1240 as like area. And then we multiply this 7x on this side by 25. Then area we get 175x plus, we multiply this 25 to 40. Then area we get how many area? 1000. For taking area of this product, we are here in on rough page. We take area this correct calculation, and then area we write this step as like area. Then like terms area take on one side and numbers area take another side. Then area first upon 155x transfer on this side, because here 155 is less than 175. Therefore, we get a new equation area 175x minus 155x is equal to 1240. This 1000 transfer on this side, then change the symbol of that number. We know the rule in mathematics, when in given equation, when any term transfer on another side, then change the symbol of that term. Means area plus, then area change in minus, minus change in plus. As like area. Then we take area subtraction of both the term 175x minus 155x. We get area 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 5, 2, and 1 minus 1, 0. Means area 20x is equal to, take subtraction of these two numbers, 0 minus 0, 0, 4 minus 0, 4, 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. And then area we get a new step, 20x is equal to 240. This for finding here value of x is 20, transfer on next side then here we get x is equal to 240 upon 20. Because 20 are here present in multiple form, when transfer on another side, then here go to division form. Then here we get x is equal to, this 0 0 cancel, we divide this 24 by 2, we get here 12, and then here we get value of x is 12. And then when we get here value of common multiple, then here we find the given number. Therefore, here the first number is, which are here first number 5x is equal to 5x is equal to 5 into 12. Then here we get 16. And second number is equal to, which is here second number, we know here 7x is equal to 7 into 12. We get here 84. What is the thing? So range. As like we get this given number, therefore we have lastly answer. Therefore, the given number is here 60 and 84. When like area we solve this example, then here we get full marks area. Understand all students? Like area we practice this example. First of all, read this example carefully, which are given in example, which are here find, understand, and which here formula are here we use, which property are here used, how here let the equation, and then are here we solve this example, and then are here we practice all solving example at home. On next grade we are here study practice set 4.1.